received many names from the people who came to me
and insignificant. Man is an insect. Yet it was men who built these massive monuments. And the names of pharaohs whose tombs they are have crossed the ages. Their glory has defeated time.
This is the tomb of Giza, more determined, and the hieroglyphs representing the name he gave to his pyramid. Cheops dominates the horizon.
Hebron has come down to us, sculpted in green diorite, streaked with white. A rare stone close to us, in the guise of the Sphinx, carved in rock near his tomb.
The spirits which conceive these